that time.
It's glowy, glowy fun for ouchie, ouchie pain.
Hurt me now.
So how long have you been doing this?
Probably about 15 years or so.
That's cool.
Around 2010, I got more deep into it. I've been doing it for a while. I had a massive car wreck that I was involved in with my boys, and it turned out to be a fatal for the guy. It was two guys decided to drag race down Northern Avenue from 43rd Avenue towards 39th. And when they hit 39th Avenue, the guy riding a Harley on the inside lane, running nitrous, minivan pulled out, and he bounced off of the rear